Hi, and welcome to this lecture where we're going to take a look at the E harmonic minor scale. Now, if you remember, there are three kinds of minor scales. We have the natural minor, and we have the harmonic minor, and there's the melodic minor scale. We are not going to discuss the melodic or the natural minor. We're only going to discuss the harmonic minor scale in this course. Now, the harmonic minor scale is related to the relative major scale. Let me clear this point out. If you take a look at the key signature of the E harmonic minor, you'll find it's an F sharp, which is the same key signature of the relative major of the scale, which is the G major. So G major and E minor both are relatives scales. Meaning that they share most of the notes. But the E harmonic minor have one more sharp than the G major, which is in this case the D sharp, or the seventh note of the scale. If you count E, F, G, A, B, C, D, D is the seventh note of the E harmonic minor scale, and the D is sharp, so this means there is no D in the E minor or the E harmonic minor. There's only D sharp, and that's what gives it the distinguished sound of the sad tone of the harmonic minor. If there was no D sharp, it will be the same as the G major with only one sharp, which is the F sharp. So let me play you the scale, and then we're going to play it slowly or break it down. Here's the scale. Of course, it's 2 octaves. Now, as you listened, of course, it has this sad, maybe Arabian tone. That's because of the seventh note that is sharp, which is the D sharp. So let's take a look at the fingering now. We start on the 6th string open, then finger 2, 3. Same thing with the 5th string, open, 2, 3. So open, 2, 3, open, 2, 3. Then there's no D. We go straight ahead to the 1st fret, 1, 2, and that's the end of the 1st octave. And then we continue on the same string with the F sharp. Then G, open, A, B, C, D sharp with the pinky on the 4th fret on the 2nd string. And then we finish off with the E string open. So let's play it again slowly. And let's go descending, starting from the E, D sharp, C, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D sharp, C, there's no D, B, A, G, F sharp, and of course E at the end. If you're asking or wondering what am I doing with the right hand, it's just I am, plain and simple I am alternating, even on the 6th string. The 6th string, you can play it free stroke because there's no string above it to play a rest stroke. So you can play just, you play the 6th string open, same thing with the G major scale. And then on the 5th string, you can start playing the rest stroke. But on the 6th string, you can play free stroke. That's about it. That's the E harmonic minor scale, and it's one of the scales that is required in the London College of Music exam, grade 1, along with the G major scale 2 octaves, if you're wondering. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it, and leave a review if you like what you've seen so far, or you can wait and leave a review later. Either way, your choice. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.